Ang challenging po sa akin sa show na ito ay ang pagkakaroon po ng dalawang characters. Si Monique at saka si Dino. Challenging because mainly the characterizations, the nuances, magkaiba. Pangalawa, yung palit ng look sa taping, which I need to commend our assistant director Zairo dahil kinoconsider niya yung effort ko pag nagpapalit ako ng look from Monique to Dino or Dino to Monique. So, yeah, thank you so much. And yung physical demands of not just the character but the show itself, the genre, yung requirement na kailangan lagi kang ready sa action, ganon. So, ako naman, hindi naman ako sanay sa action talaga. Lampa talaga ako sa totoong buhay. So, medyo isa po yun sa malalaking challenges sa akin sa proyektong ito dahil parang ngayon na lang din po ulit ako nakatrabaho ng isang very macho na director. Yes, kasi parang maraming beses na kung hindi po babae ang director ko, babae at heart. So parang ngayon na lang po ulit ako nakatrabaho ng very macho, very masculine na director. So parang even the working environment, lahat lalaki. So parang kahit ako, I need to toughen up. Ganon. So yan po yung challenges. Ikaw.
Ano ulit? Well, of course, big shoes to fill. Of course, it's Robert Padilla and Miss Sharon Cuneta. But personally, what I do is I just try to live in the moment. And kasi kapag na-pressure ka, you think about the pressure, baka punta ka na lang dun sa place na ma-anxious ka eh. So for me, I just stay in the moment, and as long as I do my best. And syempre, I believe in my director and the writers and si Barbie. Syempre, working alongside with her, parang makes it, even if it's hard, it makes it easier. It becomes easier kasi familiarity, sanay ako sa kanya, and she helps me with a lot of my scenes. So, yeah, okay lang. Relax na.